Hello guys, welcome to EasyTV International. So welcome again another episode of IT training. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can create a template in VMware, and after that how you can make a like generalized template. So generalized means whenever you create whenever you deploy a machine, virtual machine with Windows, any kind of server like Windows Server 2012, 2016, or 2019. Um, and if you just directly create a template, but the thing is, after you deploy, so I have deployed one machine here. So I install everything. Um, so I change the machine name. After deployment, I change the machine name as a template, and plus I install Google Chrome, and also I make sure everything is here. So if I can check with my server manager, local server. So it shows my firewall is off. You can turn on firewall, but my firewall is off, and I name because whenever you deploy a new machine, you will have a computer name, a big name. So I just changed my name. It's not mandatory. If you want, you can change it. And IP, I didn't assign any IP, so site now is getting IP through the DHCP server. And product ID, that means it's license. This license is activated. So, and let me check the update. If you go to check the update, I already applied all the updates, security updates, and if you check view update history, so it has all the latest update. Now you can generalize this image. So why you need to generalize? Because whenever you deploy this machine and you just directly create a template, sometimes it's create a problem, because when any machine create in the backend, is generate UUID. For example, the number is like XYZ 0x, then like B5, like a big number. At the end, maybe 01. So whenever you deploy any machine through this template again and again, it's going to have the same UID, and it's going to create a problem for you whenever you try to join this machine with that with your ID. When you bind with the ID, it will create a problem. So in that case, when you create a template, don't just power it off and convert it to template. Before you do that, just generalize this image, then it will not create any problem. So I'm going to show you guys how you're going to do this generalized things. So you can do through the CMD or PowerShell. Let's start. So let me try to open it as an admin. So CD Windows, and then CD System 32, and then Sysprep, sorry, you have to do CD Sysprep, and then run sysprep.exe. I think I can. Okay, let me try with CMD. Run as administrator. So CD, then CD Windows, CD system 32. Then cd sysprep, then s sysprep.exe, and then immediately you'll get this window. Sysprep preparation tool is a built-in, so you can do like you don't need to do anything. Just by default, it says enter system out of box enterprise, and just click on generalize. And after the generalize, if you want to power it again, which is called reboot. So, and also if you can say shut it down. So we're gonna shut it down. Click OK, and it will take time, and we'll come back after it's done, because it will take time, maybe 10 to 15 minutes, or sometimes it can take more than that. So I'll be back when it's done. So our time generalization is done. So now this is a generalized image, and I'm doing okay. So if you power it on again, see how it looks like. So if right now, if you can deploy any machine, like you can convert this template, or you can make a clone. If you make a clone like this, clone a virtual machine, and the cloning machine, when you power on, you'll be able to see like this. Just wait a little bit, it's coming up. So you can have your own administrative password and also everything. So it's look like whenever you deploy new OS, and when installation is done and machine is powered on, in that time you will see these options like getting the device ready. It's almost done. We are very close. I just powered this one to show you guys. So after it's done, then I'll power off again, and I'll convert it as a template. And later on, I can deploy like several machines to this template. Oh, one thing I forget to tell you guys, like in VMware, whenever you deploy a machine, the machine performance will be very slow and your mouse movement will be slow because of that tools. So after the deployment, I install the VMware tools. So this template has VMware tools installed, Google Chrome installed, and also all the updates applied. So it's pretty much everything is ready. See, you can start from here. So this is called generalized image. So I'm going to power off this one. Just right click and power off. Yes. This power off. Now I'm going to convert it as a template. So when you convert it, it's going to move from host and cluster view to VMs and template view. If you go into the template view, and you will be able to see here on this template here. And later on, as much as you want, you can deploy virtual machine from this template. So that's all for today. And thanks for watching. And please subscribe my channel if you're not subscribed yet. And also click the bell icon and you'll get my all the latest update video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.